Hello. First of all, I would like to bow down my head for all my respected seniors and a big high five to all my dear loving juniors. The very first question which was asked to me was, what make you feel happy? Following the way which lead to my passion, following the way which lead to my destination is the only one thing which can bring happiness to my face. Question number second, your definition of true love. According to me, true love is a strong and lasting emotion, strong and lasting affection between any spouses or couple. People also say that if in a relationship there is a true love, then sexual touch should not enter into that. But according to me, sexual touch and a bit of romance is must in any relationship because it tightens the partners very tightly into that bond. Here comes question third. Who is most closest to you in your family? How often his or her advice mean to you? My mom is the only one to whom I am most closest in my family. And her advice mean a lot to me, Followed by question number 4. Prank or the craziest thing you have ever done inside or outside of the school with your school friends. Actually, once I wrote a love letter to my best friend. He thought that letter is from her ex-girlfriend. So he was very happy that day. And it went on for 3 to 4 months. He used to do recharge of my phone as well. But at the last of 4th month, by some reason, he come to know that the letter was not from her ex-girlfriend. So he was very disappointed. Here comes question 5th. What is the most important thing the world needs right now? According to me, the world needs the end of this corona period. It is the most important thing the world needs right now. Question 6. Is there any change you want to do in yourself? Not now, but if required, I'll surely do in future. Here comes question 7. Which is better, arranged marriage or love marriage? According to me, love marriage is good, but love marriage with parent support is best. Because in love marriage, the partners knows each other at the extreme level and the chance of misunderstanding after the marriage between the partners is very less. Now comes question 8. How's your equation with your siblings or cousins? We are 3 of our parents. Among them, my brother is the eldest son of my parents. Then comes me, followed by my younger sister, who is the last fruit of my parents. Followed by the second last question. What is the most embarrassing moment in your life? Actually, when I was in class 10, it was our games period and we were playing football. It was my turn to kick the ball and I did my level best. And after kicking, I saw the ball was still on its own position. Suddenly, I heard the noise of laughing, and that was the worst feeling I felt ever in my life. At last but not the least, best and worst thing about social media and smartphone. Best thing is that by just sitting on the sofa of our guest room, we can see the entire world, or we can roam anywhere, wherever we want. And the worst is that identity theft. Yeah, it's really very dangerous if your identity is being theft through your smartphone or social media. Thank you.